Welcome to how to make sugar syrup for cocktails. All you need for this is sugar and water. If you have caster sugar, it's the same stuff, just finer. Then all you need is a saucepan and some heat. Start by adding the sugar to a pan, then add the water. You want to aim for about the same volume as the sugar, a 50-50 mix. Stir as the pan begins to heat. You need to continue stirring, keeping the sugar moving every so often to stop any undissolved sugar burning on the bottom of the pan. Once this dissolves, we need to thicken into a syrup instead of a sugary water and make it even stronger in sweetness. So we're going to add another approximate 25% more sugar than before to the pan, making it more of a 75-25% ratio of sugar to water. Keep this moving and stirring until there are no granules left to burn on the base of the pan. Once this dissolves completely, you're done. Leave it to cool. Once the sugar is cooled, pour it into some kind of container in which you can easily dispense small measures from. We like to use these squeeze bottles you can pick up anywhere for less than £1. Why not try this sugar syrup in our Mojito tutorial? Click the card coming up to head straight there. That's how to make sugar syrup for cocktails.